Here is another video from FXGlory tutorial series, and this is how to buy Bitcoin and transfer it to your wallet. There are many cryptocurrency exchange and brokers you can choose from. Today we're going to introduce the one with option to buy Bitcoin via credit cards with low fees called CEX.io. Go to www.cex.io, click on register button at the top. Register by entering your email and choosing a password as requested. Check these two boxes after reading CEX terms of use and privacy policy if you accepted them. Complete the Google CAPTCHA and continue by clicking on register button. You'll be required to confirm your email address. Make sure you've entered the right email address and click on proceed. Look up your email inbox for a message from CEX.io giving you a confirmation code. Put it in this field here once you found it. Click on proceed button to go on. You've already confirmed the email. Let's go to the next step. It's the time to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number here and click on proceed. Here you have the option to verify your number via SMS or call, which is SMS here. Then you should enter the code sent to your mobile here in this field and submit it. You've already passed the basic verification steps, and it's the time to get in your account and start using it. Before any trade, you have to provide a credit card information and add it as your payment method by clicking on cards at the top. Fill in the information about your payment card and click on proceed. You'll be required to prove your ownership of the card by uploading photos of your ID documents, card, and yourself in a way requested in this page. You have the option to provide passport, ID card, or driving license as your ID document, which we choose ID card in this case. You need to select the photos you've taken from your PC by clicking on these frames, including an arrow up sign with a description in to upload them. Click on proceed button to start uploading the photos and heading to the next step. Enter the CVV code on your card and proceed to the next step. Since we use MasterCard for this tutorial and have MasterCard secure code enabled, we have to enter the code sent to our phone by SMS here, as we are trying to make a transaction. The card has already been added. What we should do here is waiting for it to become verified by the exchange. After a while, you'll notice that your card has been verified and you can deposit money into your account using the verified card. You also have an option here in this page to make a deposit by clicking on deposit link in front of your card details. Here in this page, you have to determine the amount you're willing to deposit. Check the box here and click on continue. Here you have to select your verified payment card as your deposit method, enter the CVV, CVC and any other additional required verification codes to continue. You'll see this page if you have done everything successfully, and the amount you've deposited will show up soon in your account. You're able to track your payments by opening the Payments tab here. You see the recent $100 deposit here in the first row. Let's check the balance by opening the Balance tab here. You'll see the amount you've just deposited here available on your balance. It is time to buy Bitcoin with our available balance. Click on Buy Sell at the top left corner. Here you can specify the amount you're willing to buy, in Bitcoin or dollars. We're going to buy 0.01 Bitcoin that costs $83.6 at this time. Click on Buy when you set the amount. It'll show you what you're trying to buy. Click on Buy now if you're sure about your purchase. It's done. We've just purchased 0.01 Bitcoin and it's right on our balance in the account. Let's go and check it. You can keep your Bitcoins here in your account or withdraw them to your own personal wallet by clicking on Withdrawal in front of your BTC balance. But before you can request any withdrawal, you have to enable two-step verification to keep your account safer. Click to enable. You have options to enable it via smartphone app or SMS. To do it via app, click on Smartphone app button. There are links here to download app from app stores, either you have iPhone or Android device. Download and install the app Google Authenticator, then scan the barcode provided here. You'll have a one-time password. Enter the code here to enable two-step verification successfully. Now you can get back to your account and request a withdrawal. To withdraw your Bitcoins, you have to determine two things here: recipient Bitcoin address and amount you want to send. We are trying to withdraw 0.01 Bitcoin we've just purchased to a personal wallet on blockchain.com. We'll log into our blockchain.com account to get our own Bitcoin receiving address that we have to enter here. You can have your own unique address by clicking on Request button here in Blockchain Wallet. Copy this address from here and put it in the recipient address field in CEX.io withdrawal page. Click on Withdraw button after determining the recipient Bitcoin address and the amount. You'll be required to enter the code generated by your Google Authenticator app on your mobile. The last step is to check your email inbox and confirm withdrawal request by clicking on the link given in an email from CEX.io. You can track your withdrawal request and all your transactions here in Transactions tab. You can see the recent withdrawal request here that has been completed successfully. Let's go and check the wallet and see if you received any Bitcoins or not. As you can see here, we have the amount we've just cashed out from exchange here on balance in a wallet.